Let me show you how to use a web-based ad production tool called Viewst to create and scale ad campaigns quickly and efficiently. Follow along in this tutorial and learn how to use Viewst's Smart Resize feature to transform a single ad into a full-fledged digital ad campaign within minutes. Let's jump in and I'll show you how it works. You have two options when creating ad content with Viewst. You can use the platform's built-in design tools, or you can design it in Photoshop and upload a layered TIFF file. This ad on my screen is sized 300 by 600, and now I've been tasked with creating multiple versions. For this, I'll be using the intuitive Smart Resize feature to create multiple ad sizes and work more efficiently. In this ad design, you can see I have the main logo, the main title, a subtitle, which consists of two parts. You can see I have two text frames that are stacked on one another, and I have a main button. Before we jump into the resize feature, let's get a peek at the animation in this ad. Click on the animation tab located at the top of the screen, and that will take you into the animation timeline. You can see I've already applied the animation. I've covered how to add animation in a previous video, and you can find the link in the description. If I zoom out a little bit and press play in the timeline, you can see that the animation for this ad will play out, and the total duration for the animation in this ad design is 8 seconds. Viewst does recommend that before adding all sizes at once, to resize square, vertical, and horizontal banners first. I'll explain why shortly. To do that, let's click on the Add Size button located in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, and that brings up a separate window where you can add more sizes. Now for this, I'm going to click on the display option to show the desktop options here. Now again, I want to select a square, so I'll choose this 336 by 280. I want to choose a horizontal banner. I'll choose the 728 by 90, and you could choose a vertical banner as well. Either 120 by 600 or 160 by 600 will work. In this example, I'll choose 160 by 600. Once you have those three selections, go ahead and click Choose 3 Sizes. The additional sizes have been created, but there's still some work to do. Hover over the square version and click the Edit button. You can see that the content is all there, but it needs to be adjusted in order for the Smart Resize feature to work properly. Let's start with the main shape first. I'm going to scale this down and adjust it accordingly. Place it somewhere near the bottom, then click your image and adjust that next. I'm going to bring it up a little bit. Next, I'm going to click on the logo and place it in the upper left. I'm going to click on the main title and place it beneath. I'll use the right side of the handle to extend the frame to make the text go over 2 lines instead of 3. And then I'll just adjust the frame. Next, I'm going to bring in the subheaders down below in the bottom left. Place the first one, then click the second one and place it above it. And lastly, I'm going to click on the button and place that in the bottom right-hand corner. Now I can see here that the image and the background shape aren't fitting on the canvas, so I'll click both of them and just adjust the size so they fit. And it's okay if the content is spilling off the page. It won't be visible when you output the ads. Now the cool thing about this is if I go to the animation window again and press the play button, all the animation that we applied in the original version is maintained and will carry over to the new versions. You can see that in this example. I'll make my way back up to the design window, and you can see that now we have our content adjusted on the square version. I'll go ahead and adjust the content on the other 2 ads and then go over how to use the Smart Resize to finalize the ad campaign. Once you have the designs for the first 4 ads just the way you want, click the Add Size button located in the upper right-hand corner and choose the remaining ad size ratios for desktop. I can select them here from the display option. Just choose the ones that you didn't choose initially. There should be 5 altogether, giving you a total of 9 ad builds. Once you have those selected, click Choose 5 Sizes. The Smart Resize feature takes the closest ratio from the first 4 ads to intuitively build out the remaining sizes, producing stunning results. Keep in mind there still may be some minor tweaks you have to do, but nothing close to the time it would take if you had to rebuild everything from scratch. I've gone ahead and adjusted the rest of the content on the ads. Let's have a look at the finished product. All starting from that 300 by 600 ad size, Viewst created 8 other versions with its Smart Resize feature. Let's take a look at a couple. For example, I'll click on this square version, 180 by 150, and if I zoom in here, you can see that all the content has been placed. I can click on the animation tab, press play, and all the animation from the initial ad has carried over to this version. I'll go back to all sizes. Let's click a horizontal version, such as 468 by 60, click edit. You can see that all the content has been placed. I'll click animation. I'll zoom in a bit so you could get a better look. Press play. All the animation works on here as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to use the Smart Resize feature in Viewst. If you found it helpful, click the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all my latest tutorial content. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.